이번에는 unsupervised, supervised PCA 4편에 supervised SPCA에 대해서 좀 더 알아보겠습니다. SPCA is a Hermitian Schmidt independence criterion. We have the data x d by n and label l by n, where l is dimensionality of labels and we usually have l equal 1. However, in case the labels are encoded, for example, one hot encoded, or SPCA is used for regression, we have L larger than 1. One hot coded. In digital circuits and machine learning, one hot is group of bits among which legal combination of values are only with a single high bit and all the other low. A similar implementation in which all bits are 1 except the 1 except the 1 0 is sometimes called the one code. decimal binary one. 원 하트는 1만 하나 있는 거고 우리가 보통 바이너리 익숙하죠. 이렇게 쓰면은 비트 수는 많이 차지하지만은 디지털 노이즈를 탈 염려가 적어진다. 뭐 그렇게 저는 생각이 되네요. SPCA tries to maximize dependence of the product data points U transpose X and the reverse Y. U는 D by P, D by N, L by L, U transpose N은 P by N, P는 D보다 훨씬 적다. It uses a linear kernel for the product data points XX to dot UTX trans UTX X transpose U U transpose X and arbitrary kernel KY over Y. For classification tasks, one of the best choices for KY is delta kernel, where the IJ elements of kernel is delta YI YJ if YI YJ YI equal YJ 1 0 if Y not equal to YJ, where delta YI YJ are canonical delta which is 1 if XI and XA belongs to the same class. Another good choice for kernel classification task in SPC is arbitrary kernel. For example, linear kernel KY equal Y transpose Y over Y, where the columns Y are one hot encoded. This is a good choice because distances classes will be equal. Otherwise, some classes will fall closer than the others for no reason, and the fairness between classes goes away. The SPCA can be also used for regression, and that is one of the advantages of SPCA. In that case, a good choice for KY is an arbitrary kernel, for example, linear kernel, KI equal Y transpose Y over Y, where the columns Y, that is called robbers or observations, regressions. Here, the distances of observation have a meaning and should not be manipulated. The HSIC, Herbert-Schmidt independence criterion in SPCA supervised principal component analysis case becomes HSS n minus L squared 1 over n minus L squared trace X transpose U transpose X KYH, where U D by P matrix is the unknown projection matrix for projection on the SPCA subspace and it should be found. The desired dimensionality of a subspace is P, usually P much smaller than D. We should maximize the HSIC in order to maximize the dependence U transpose X and Y. Hence, maximize X transpose U transpose X is KY subject to U transpose I P by P identity matrices, where constraint ensures that U is an orthonormal matrix that is SPCA differentials are also normal. Using Lagrangian, we have Lagrangian trace and 쓰면 또 이렇게 트레스 ATB, BATO 식을 이용하고 AXB, A 트랜스포즈 BAT 쓰면 이렇게 트레스 ATB, BAT는 basically U 트레스 ATB는 트레스 트레스 BAT 이것도 그래. Where for P by P, diagonal matrix is a diagonal matrix including the Lagrangian multiplier, setting derivative Lagrangian to 0. gives RD by P rounded on 이거고 이렇게 H 이건 시메트리 하니까 이런 관계. Equation 77 is eigendecomposition on X H K Y X H transpose where the columns U and the diagonal large lambda or eigenvectors and eigenvalues of X H K Y H X transpose respectively. The eigenvectors, eigenvalues are sorted from reading largest values to the trailing smallest eigenvalue because they are maximizing in the optimization problem. As conclusion, if a projected onto the species of subspace or span U and U P, the species ratios U and U P are sorted eigenvectors of XH, KY, XH transpose. In other words, columns of projected matrix in PCA are the P rating eigenvectors XH, KY, XH transpose span. column overview. The projection out of sample, reconstruction, and the reconstruction out of sample SPCA. 이거는 projection. projection of out of sample. reconstruction. 이거는 reconstruction out of sample in SPCA, respectively. Considering the NT out of sample data points, the projected and the reconstructions are XT는 요 tilde는 projection이고, 요 reconstruction이고요. PCA is a special case of SPC. 요거는 다음 동영상에 올리겠습니다. 감사합니다.